What's up, guys? E-Tank Skates coming back at you with another YouTube video. Another grinding trucks to the axle video. So I resurrected my pair of axled Thunders. This is the most viewed video on the channel, really, grinding this pair of Thunders to the axle. So to continue that, I thought I would want to grind, to continue that, I want to crooked grind to the axle on this pair of trucks. So I think it will be kind of easy, plus it's gonna be a different grind than the 50-50 grind that I usually do. So yeah, I'm very interested to see. Also, I know Tom Asta, he axled his Thunders in like about a year and a half. So I want to see if I could do that in a day. Hitting these curbs at the skate park, dodging scooters. I did like 1 or 2 crooked grinds on this pair of trucks. Oh yeah, and then I forgot. So I've got my own homemade T2 Thunders. So Thunder just came out with new tall improved Thunders. They are also improved hanger design, so I'm definitely interested to get a pair of those. But basically they're taller Thunder truck. So I just got some riser pads and threw them on these hollow Thunders. Now they're tall Thunders. These are the usual Thunder hangers that everybody else has. They're just 875 width. So yeah, let's run it. Starting groove. And my fingers bent backwards. That hurt. I'm gonna move on to different. Getting there. Alright, you guys, just taking a little breather here. There's a look at the groove I got going. I noticed my bushing is mangled, so I'm gonna turn it around. See I chopped the bushing just by doing crooks. So put it around in the back. Good as new. Okay, so how I measure, see the axle is about like this wide. So the axle is right there. It's gonna go right there, so I just gotta follow down there. So I'm getting there. Update number 420. Just kidding. But look at that. It's about to happen. The George Bush is not bushing. Wow, that was funny. No, but that bushing is cut. Yeah, those are my. Hell yeah, I'm glad they're being used though. Shit, it might actually be there. 1 second. Same thing that happened when I tried to hit axle in the rear. Shredded a bushing. So I'm gonna put the back bushing on the front truck because the back bushing's intact. Not this front bushing. LMAO, putting this mangled ass bushing back on. Fact that these were brand new, it's just crazy. Almost there. Alright, you guys, I had to run a couple errands. I took a break. It is darker now. Still here. I'm going to continue trying to hit axle on these. It's gotta almost be there. Look at that. That's it. Now, I'm just gonna open it up a little bit more. Alright, you guys, my camera died. I was dying yesterday. Oh my god, this took so much effort. But I finally got the axle to show through. That took so many crooked grinds. This, I think, took a little bit longer than the 50s, because with the 50s, I can do a bunch of 50s in a row, maybe 2 50s back to back. With the crook, I was finding myself looping around, so it took a lot of time, lots of effort. I feel a little crazy after that, but part of the reason I do this is just to prove to myself, like, wow, you can hit axle in one day, and also show you guys what's possible. Also, it sparks lots of great conversation. My other grinding thunders to the axle video did really well. It sparked a bunch of conversation just about thunder trucks, whether or not you think it's cheesy I'm grinding them in one day, or you're kind of impressed. I impress myself every time I do this, literally thinking, like, is it even possible? And then I do it. So yeah, this one's crazy because look at it. They're all the way into the hangar. So trippy. Here's what it would look like over there. Bam.
Thunder Trucks, send E-Tang Skates a box of trucks, because he really promoting you for real.